Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Aditya and you're watching Weekend Backpacker. And I know there's a quarantine going on and you are on lockdown and there are many things to do at home. And one of the thing is to learn cooking and that is what I'm doing. So today I'm going to make fried momos and here's how I'm doing it. So let's go there. Firstly, you need to chop some cabbage, carrots, onions, coriander, ginger and some chilies. Now switch on the stove, put some oil on the pan and make sure you put the items according to the order. Make sure the mixture is semi-cooked so that you can deep fry it later. Now you need to mix the dough according to the order in the video and make some small chapatis so that you can put the mixture in that small chapatis. Once you are done putting the mixture onto the small chapatis, follow the above so that you get a perfect shape of the momos. Now repeat the same for about 10 to 20 momos and get ready to deep fry the momos. And here you go, your favorite fried momos are ready. And don't forget to follow my Instagram profile for more videos like this. Thank you. Peace. Take care.